Welcome back. Now, for the most part, throughout this course, we've not mentioned many third-party applications. This is one that you may want to consider, especially if you are a user of Facebook Live and YouTube Live. The dilemma for some live streamers is that they want to do both at the same time. Restream.io will allow you to stream to both Facebook Live and YouTube at the same time by using their application. Now, there is a free trial, but in order to use Facebook Live and YouTube Live at the same time, you will need the paid version. So once you've set up Restream, what you're going to do first is you're going to add in your channel. And you'll obviously start with YouTube events. You'll click Connect YouTube Events. You can also add in your YouTube live stream. And then you are then ready to begin working with your channels. Now, if you want to begin adding in another channel, what you'll need to do is you'll need to add in your Facebook Live channel. You'll notice then that you're going to need to have the paid version. Now, in order to do this, you will need to have a custom RTMP. And you can select the plan that you like. The most inexpensive one at the recording of this video is going to be $19 per month. Once you have the upgrade, what you'll be able to do is to go back to Restream. You'll then add your channel. You'll then add in Facebook Live. You'll then connect to your Facebook account. You'll then complete the connection. You can then decide on whether or not you're going to allow them to post to your timeline. You can then click OK. You can then choose to allow Restream to manage your pages. And typically, since you're going to be working with business pages, you are going to choose this. However, you can choose which you are going to allow. Once you've made your choices, you can then click OK. So once you have your channel set up inside of Restream, you are going to need to have some kind of software in order to do this. Now, there's free software available, and it's called OBS Studio. You can download OBS Studio in order to broadcast to both YouTube and Facebook at the same time through Restream. And basically what you'll be using are two pieces of information. You'll be using this RTMP stream as well as your stream key and placing it inside of your OBS system so that you can simultaneously broadcast to Restream, which will then broadcast to YouTube as well as Facebook at the same time. And all you'll need to do is to download the software for your appropriate system. And when you're setting up OBS, what you'll need to do is you'll need to use your Restream.io as your service. They're then going to ask you for your stream key. You're going to get that information from Restream, and when you click in here, it's actually going to reveal the real letters and real numbers. So you'll just want to click in there. You won't have to worry about the encryption signals here. And you're going to put that stream key in this area, and then you're going to click Next. And once your stream is set up inside of OBS, you can then begin streaming live to YouTube and Facebook at the same time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.